Hi, I'm Chris from Latitude 37. Today we're here in Mt Eliza for our second ever Plungie install. Today we're installing a 6x3 metre Plungie Max on a 41 square custom designed single story home. We're just waiting for a break in the weather and then we'll get the pool up on the crane, up onto site. The Plungie pool will be the showcase of the backyard and will be overlooked by the sun-drenched north-facing entertainment area. As Melbourne's leading custom home builder and winner of the 2021 HIA Australian Medium Home Builder of the Year, we incorporate many pools into a lot of our designs. This is our second Plungie pool. However, we have another 6 in the pipeline, and it's a fantastic partnership that we currently hold with Plungie. It saved us several weeks in the precast phase, and it really was a seamless process.